First of all, what is perimeter Colton shoot? Yeah, it's the distance around an object. Okay. Perimeter is a unit of length, boys and girls. That simply means that there's no square units, there's no cubic units, it's just units. And generally speaking, let's just take the easiest of shapes, our rectangle here. Usually we can give, yes ma'am.
Do you have any assignment books in here? I lost my assignment.
Anybody seen an extra assignment book? Look at Mackenzie. Everybody give Mackenzie a big hand. And the book. Bonus day today.
Thank you.
A lot of times math people try to throw at you formulas. This is only the formula for a rectangle. By the way, we go length and width when we talk about rectangles. How do you know the difference between what side would be called the length and what side would be called the width, Kyle?
The length makes an L right on the bottom.
Well, that would be true, but I could draw my rectangle like this. And I'm not so sure if I would be using your L method, would that be different on each one or the same on each one? I don't know. Same rectangle. Length is, Demetra, in a rectangle, the length is the longer one. Length is the longer one, and the width is the shorter one. Just the way it is. So here you've got length, length, width, width, same thing here, width, width, length, length. And math people like to try to make things kind of a little more complicated. They give you a formula. Okay, the formula for perimeter of a rectangle, this only works for rectangles per se, is length plus width plus width, but they don't do it exactly like that. How do we shorten that up? Taylor?
2 times length.
Yeah, 2L plus
2W.
2W. That's just what that means. Long, complicated. If it was a square, children, square they don't use length and width because every side is the same. Squares are S's. I guess they like the S's. And the perimeter of a square, instead of writing S plus S plus S plus S, guess what they use? Perimeter of a square is, help me out here, anybody? 4S. Multiply 4 times whatever side of the square is, you have its perimeter. So when you see these, and I tell you that just because you will see them in places, you know that's the perimeter of a rectangle, you know this is the perimeter of a square. You've done this many moves, so you shouldn't. It shouldn't have to be too much of a spiel. Now, I'm going to jump right into the next thing, and then we'll do